So last year, Animation Ireland started a part of the awards event by starting a conference section which ran over half a day, and we got great feedback from that last year. So that was very successful, and we decided rather than wait for another 2 years when we do the awards biennially, that we would run a full day conference which we are now calling Animation Ireland Meitheal.
Absolutely delighted with the way Animation Ireland Meitheal has gone this year. We covered a range of topics. We covered finance, we covered creativity, we covered technology, and we are actually trying to tackle the big issue of artificial intelligence. That's one of the big ones that I think is going to affect our industry in a big way.
I flew in from Los Angeles because it was really exciting to meet the studios that we're talking to and trying to get some work going with. There's so much good talent here and there's so much happening. Ireland's a real player in the world market, and I think this conference has just been really cool and innovative in the way they're bringing everybody together.